Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is one of the most powerful Ayurvedic herbs. It is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and rejuvenating properties. But in Ayurveda, when you drink Amla juice is just as important as how much you drink. Let's decode the best time to drink Amla juice, the right method, and the mistakes to avoid, according to Ayurveda. Ayurveda strongly recommends drinking Amla juice early in the morning on an empty stomach. Ideally, 30-45 minutes before breakfast is best. Why morning is best? Because digestive fire is calm and receptive. Body is in natural detox mode. Nutrients absorb more effectively. Liver cleansing is strongest in the morning. This timing allows Amla to work as a rejuvenator rather than just a supplement. What happens when you drink Amla juice in the morning? When we consumed Amla juice at the right time, it balances Pitta dosha, means it balances heat and acidity, improves digestion without overheating the body, cleanses liver and blood, boosts immunity naturally, enhances skin glow and hair strength. That's why Ayurveda considers morning Amla juice a daily health tonic, not a medicine. In Ayurveda, we all have a unique constitution, Pitta and Vata dosha. So let's break down how Amla juice works for each dosha and the best time to take it. First up, Pitta dosha. If you're someone who deals with acidity, excess body heat, burning sensations, inflammation, or skin issues, you likely have a dominant Pitta dosha. Amla juice is naturally cooling, making it perfect for Pitta types. The best time to take it? In the morning. It helps reduce acidity, calms inflammation, and brings down that internal heat almost instantly. Next, let's talk about Vata dosha. Vata-dominant people often experience gas, dryness in the body, joint discomfort, or even anxiety. Amla juice is safe and beneficial for Vata as well. Morning is a great time to take it. Just mix it with lukewarm water. This helps combat dryness and promotes a sense of calm and grounding. If you're adding Amla juice to your daily routine for glowing skin, better immunity, or overall health, you're on the right track.